where we're going to use heat maps. And this is where I blew the socks off of a CFO because he hadn't used this method before. I built this really cool instrument to look at different balance sheet accounts and how they were performing. And I presented it in this heat map dashboard format because there was just so many different accounts and so many different combinations where things might be working or not working. And nothing was objectively good or bad. It was all relative to prior performance and relative to the other accounts. So heat maps are a really good way to do that. So to build a heat map, you'll see we've got product categories down the side, we've got countries across the top, and we want to understand how they're performing. So we're going to highlight this, and for a heat map, we're going to use color scales. And we want to use a green, yellow, red color scale, and it's going to show the relative performance. Boom, just like that. So your eyes are immediately drawn to the strong performers. We've got furniture in the USA is doing great, electronics in Japan, kind of in the middle of the road. You'll see, France, Australia furniture kind of in the middle of the road. And then the bottom of the road, we've got groceries, pharmaceuticals. And here's the really cool thing. I'm showing you a fixed data set, but if you have a dynamic data set where you're doing drop downs or you want to pop this into a pivot table, you can actually update the data set automatically and all of the conditional formatting will automatically update. So it's not that it just saves you time this one time, it saves you time every single time your data set updates and adjusts. So if you build this into a file you do every month, you never have to touch the formatting again. How cool is that?